Real talk. If you're selling a product online and your videos just aren't converting, it's probably not the product, it's the video. And I found the person who quietly fixes that for me. I used to film my own product videos. Phone propped up, bad lighting, 40 takes. They still looked off. Not the kind of content people actually stop scrolling for. Because here's what nobody tells you. A product video doesn't sell because it's pretty. It sells because it feels real and because the person on screen actually knows what they're talking about. That's the whole difference between a random clip and great UGC, user-generated content. Strong UGC does three things. It hooks you in the first 2 seconds, it shows the product like a trusted friend would, and it builds belief fast. You can spend weeks trying to master all three yourself, or you can hand it to someone who already has. The creator I personally recommend is Dr. Steph. And yes, she's literally a doctor. A doctor of physical therapy and a published fitness model with 13 years of experience in front of people. So when she talks about a product on camera, it doesn't sound like a script. It sounds like an expert you would actually believe. She's a Fiverr Vetted Pro with a 4.9 rating from over 400 reviews, and she's created content for brands like Marriott. Clients keep saying the exact same thing. Her videos feel authentic and convincing. And that is precisely what turns a viewer into a buyer. Here's what to do right now. Click the link right below this video. It takes you straight to Dr. Steph's profile. Create a free Fiverr account. It takes about 60 seconds. Then send her a quick message describing your product and the video you want. That's it. Do that today, and your next product video might finally be the one that converts. I'll see you in the comments.